Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Anyways, guys, I am back again. Just before we get started, please like and subscribe for more content coming up. This is a new episode, guys, of building the world's biggest apple tree farm in Minecraft. I'm so happy you guys are back today because, it's been a while. Oh, hey chicken, how are you doing? Good to meet you. Okay, let's keep going. So, lately I've been wondering, hey, if I build the world's biggest apple tree farm, would everyone notice that I was the guy that did this on Minecraft? I don't think so, because Minecraft, it's a big community, right? But this video probably has to go viral before it can get out there. So I want you guys to share it. I want you guys to put it on Twitch. I want you guys to put it on Facebook, Instagram, hashtag that, put it on TikTok, because guess what, guys? We want to make this video go viral. And guys, I can't make it go viral without your guys' help. I can make the content, I can show you what I'm up to every single day, but I'm trying to build, look, I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm trying to build the world's biggest, most big apple tree farm in the world in Minecraft. So here, let me show you guys. So I'm going to fly up in the sky. Okay, I'm going to show you a little tour right now. The sun is going down. Let me just put a bed here for now, because to be honest, guys, it is bedtime soon, but I'll be back there. Okay, so we're gonna fly up here, guys, and look at all the apples I have, guys. I got bumblebees buzzing around, I got animals inside the trees, it's crazy, guys. This is a masterpiece. And I didn't build it just in one day, guys. I took time and time, but guys, guess what? My goal is to build this apple tree farm so it reaches all around the Minecraft world. And guys, that's not going to happen overnight, but I'll tell you one thing, it's going to happen, guys. With your guys' help, this will be the world's biggest apple tree farm on Minecraft. Okay, let's just get to bed right now, because I'm feeling a little tired. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, guys, top of the morning, thanks for tuning back. Yeah, that was a good fast sleep. We're going to get back to building, but as I start building, I'm going to talk to you more about my ideas for the farm. Okay, so, right now, I can show you a little tour if you guys want, if you guys are new. So I'm going to put, my minecart there, I'm going to ride it, and I'll show you a tour. So this all started back in the day. This is the ride we go back then to, I'd say, about a month ago. But basically, I started building this Minecraft apple tree farm because I had a vision. I had a vision to build the world's biggest apple tree farm in Minecraft. And hey, I knew I had competition, but I never really gave up. I just kept going. Because, hey, I listened to Steve Jobs videos, I listened to Bill Gates videos, I listened to all these big guys' videos. And you know what they told me? They told me one thing, guys, one thing. The one thing was never give up. So right now there's a traffic jam, but it's okay. I can put in our Minecraft car right here, and I can jump right on it, guys. So I'm gonna ride that. So here we go. Put that there, and then I'm gonna go close to it. There we go. Oh, sometimes things don't work out for a reason, but let's go. Let's keep going. So I was listening to Steve Jobs' motivational speech and Bill Gates' speech, and one thing I took away from them was basically never give up, follow your dreams, follow your passion. Oh, we got someone here. Hey, nice to meet you. You're in the way. Let's go. Hey, yeah, you gotta move out of the way. Huh. Okay, so I knew this is gonna take work. It's gonna take time. I'm gonna go back this way. But guys, I'm not giving up. I know it's gonna be a lot of work. I know I'm gonna have to post a lot of videos every single day. I know I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated. But this is my job, guys, to show you guys my progress on building the world's biggest apple tree farm in Minecraft. And hey, yes, I will get apples in the end for sure. But all this stuff takes time, guys. It doesn't happen overnight. And that's like everything in real life, guys, too. Hey, in real life, you want an apple tree farm? Hey, guess what? You're going to plant those apples. It's going to take 3-4 years to grow. And then, you get some apples, and then it's going to take longer to grow to full level. So let me see what's going on here. So I don't know, my minecart can do some turns here. It's kind of crazy. There we go. It was stuck on the tree, so it's okay. But it's like in life, everything you do in life, there's always something that you're looking towards doing, right? jump in that one. And when you're looking to do it, you know, it's gonna be amazing. You know, you're just gonna put your mind to it, and when you put your mind to it, stuff will happen. So you see all these trees, you know, it's really nice. You know, this is the Minecraft apple tree farm, and you know, all these trees are still baby trees growing in here. There's big trees. There's so much trees. Anyways, I need to continue building. I can't just keep on going on the ride. You know, that's a fun ride, but hey, guess what? We gotta keep going. So here, I'm gonna show you what I do usually every day, just to get on the ground here. So what I do here is I'm gonna build some tracks, and the tracks are gonna lead all around my apple tree farm. And guys, it's like anything in life, guys. Never give up. Like, lock in. Like, I decided to lock in, but I didn't lock in lately. I didn't post every single day, like I said. I let you guys down. I felt like I said, you know, I was going to build this farm and I'm going to keep you updated. I should have been building every single day, even off camera. I should have had bigger updates. But guess what, guys? I didn't. So I felt like I let you guys down. I'm really sorry, guys. Just understand that, hey, you know, I'm going to keep building. And no matter if it takes me a year or two, I'm gonna keep building. I'm gonna show you different content too, but I'm just gonna keep building. Cause guess what, guys? There's nothing else to do. Well, I'm gonna sit and do nothing, and I'm gonna let time go by. No, hell no. I'm not gonna let time go by. I'm gonna show you guys what my skills are, because God gave me a skill to play Minecraft, a skill to build stuff, and show you guys what I can do in Minecraft. And everyone has a skill in life, so use it, guys. If you don't use it, guess what? You lose it. Simple as that. So it's like, you really have to lock in and stay focused. Even if my videos are so basic, hey, I'll get better, guys. I know I will. It's just time and consistency. I want you guys to say it with me. Time and consistency beats everything. No matter how smart you are, no matter, like, you know, if you think you know it all, if you don't use your skills to the test, guess what? Your skills are worth nothing. That's what Steve Jobs told me in a book. So guys, never give up. Follow your passion. Even when you think the world is ending, say if you can't find any work out there, you can't find a job, you can't do stuff, guess what? Don't think like that. The world is not ending. Keep creating. You know, be a creator, not a consumer. That's what they say on TikTok now. They say be a creator, not a consumer. But guess what, guys? There's so much consumers out there because there's so much people that don't want to work. They're lazy. And laziness, it is true, guys. It's a true, real reality, guys. But if you guys are watching this video, you guys should not be lazy. So I'm really proud of you guys for locking in. I want you guys to tap the comment button there, and then that like button, you know, and I want you to put in the comments what you guys think about this video, because hey, you know, if you guys ever want to start a YouTube channel, start it today. You know, they say a best time to plant an apple tree was today, not tomorrow, not next year, not next week. It's today. And hey, if you do it today, I'm so proud of everyone out there that are just taking their knowledge of what they learned today and just doing it, you know, applying it to the real world. And that's what we all have to do, guys, because hey, guess what? I want to be a YouTuber for a long time. Hey, I started 10 years back, but I never got off the ground because I wasn't consistent. I didn't have a niche. I wasn't posting consistency. I wasn't doing all this stuff. But now, hey, I'm like locking in. I'm like, this is now or never, guys, because I'm probably gonna regret it later in life. Say, hey, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. I shoulda, woulda, coulda had this apple tree farm going viral on YouTube. And guess what? I didn't make it happen. But guys, guess what? This farm is gonna go viral. And you know, it might seem cliche or something, but it might seem like I'm repeating myself. But guess what, guys? This is truly gonna be the world's biggest apple tree farm. I know I'm using oak, but guess what, guys? There's no apple trees in Minecraft. That's a sad story. Because I still got apples here. I can eat some apples, and yeah, I can have a lot of energy. So I would say I'm pretty good, guys. So let's just keep I don't know, chugging along, you know. Let's be a tree planter, you know. Just soon I'm gonna have, like, I don't know, maybe millions and millions of trees planted in Minecraft, and that's gonna be amazing. When I see that day coming, that's gonna be so amazing. And guys, put down in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I can make different videos. I can make different builds. I think my next video, guys, out there is going to be a pool video. I'm going to make a nice pool in Minecraft, because, it's getting hot, guys. The summer season is coming upon us, and, I might do some challenges, let's just get the system pumping, we gotta get like me out there, me out there in this Minecraft world, because yes, I might not be like Technoblade, I might not be like Sunday, I dream to be like them, but maybe one day, guys, one day I can be like them. But that's the goal, guys. That's the goal. Hey, we all want to be something that we're not, and then when we're something that we are, we're like, hey, I did it, and then you're so happy, and then you're just like, you're so grateful. That's how I think of it, guys. So just try to strive for something you're not, and then when you become it, you're gonna be so grateful, because you're gonna say, hey, that was my dream, guys, and hey, guess what, my dream came real. And that was like me, guys. When I was a little kid, I always dreamed of having a jet ski, having a boat, go fishing every single day, a house on the lake. And guess what, that dream is still in my head, right? But dreams never die, guys, so you just gotta keep dreaming and always be like wondering on how I can do this, how I can do that, because guys, guess what, I'm gonna tell you one thing: some people don't believe in you, and that's a hard reality. But the thing is, guys, don't let them get to you. If they say you can't do it, say, no, I can do it. Prove them wrong, guys. I want you to prove them wrong, because the minute you prove them wrong, they're gonna look like fools. And the thing is, you don't have to prove anything to anyone, guys, in this world. You guys just have to keep working. You just got to keep hustling. Just keep going. It's like me. I work every single day. And I don't work because I love it, but I work because I love it. So you guys might think about that and say, hey, what do you mean? Because I work because I love it. A job's a job, guys. And, we all need a job at the end of the day, guys. We all need to do something with our life. And, hey, if you can play Minecraft all day and make money, why not, guys? That's a job. There's so much jobs out there, guys. So you just gotta lock in, guys. And anyways, like, if you live in somewhere that's cold, you need to figure out a way to heat your house in the winter. You need a way to turn on your lights. You need to tap everything and all that things, guys. All that stuff costs money, guys. It's crazy. So you guys gotta think about different ways of how to save money, how to live a life. You want to live a life that's a good life. Health, wealth, love, happiness, guys. That's why you gotta start with the apples. You gotta plant some apple trees. You gotta have a healthy life. Let me have some apples here. Perfect. Okay, so it's nighttime, guys. I'm just gonna go to bed. I'll be back. I'm gonna sleep outside because just a bed at the end of the day. Okay, let's go. See you guys in the morning. Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna continue. They say too, guys. I was thinking about when I was dreaming. I was like, hey, it takes a lot of people to build a village, but it takes one man to build it right. So they're saying basically, like, you can build a village with a lot of people, but one man, he can build it himself, but he can do it right. You know what I mean? So it's like, for example, this track here, like, I can come back and fix it, but if a village is doing it, they're not going to pay attention to these little details. So I don't know, it's kind of like a saying, like, if you want something done yourself, do it yourself, do it right, because no one else is going to do it better than you. And that's so true. Like, anything you do the dishes, you do it your style. Some people might just throw it all in and say whatever. You can pack that dishwasher and put a lot of stuff in there. You are doing it right. You're optimizing all the space in that dishwasher. So anyways, guys, like, it's been some time, guys. Like, I really have to get back into this, like, grind. I was like, hey, I don't know why I took a little pause off on YouTube and all. It's like, I thought I was gonna be like, something, one video would blow up overnight, and it didn't. It really didn't blow up. So this shows you guys, you gotta stay consistent, like anything you do in life, and then you get really, really good. You get good at the point where you're like, oh, this is easy. It's like I wanna really, like, I don't know, like, be like that one day, you know, like Sniper Wolf. There's so much gamers out there. There's Dream, Sandy, Technoblade, all these guys. It didn't happen overnight. They all did it, but you know, they just consistency, and then they made it. And guess what? They're still doing a lot of content because they work so hard to get there. Why would they give up now? They still made their millions, but guess what? They're still doing it because they love what they want to do, guys. And that's like me. I want to entertain you guys. I want to show you guys my builds in Minecraft. I want to make it funny. I want to make it entertaining, because guess what, guys? There's no turning back. There's no turning back. At the end of the day, this is my goal. This is my goal, to entertain you guys and show you around in my Minecraft world. Like, we are coming along, guys. Today, let's see how much rows we planted. Okay. Let's go up, guys. So we planted 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, guys. And we still have a lot more to go, guys. A lot more to go. And this is the whole apple tree farm. There's bumblebees. I love it because they're pollinating the apples. There's this. It's amazing farm, guys. You know, imagine if I had this farm in real life. Oh my, I'd be the happiest man in the earth, man. I would be so happy. I would say, hey, guess what? You know, I can give apples to everyone. And that's the thing, guys. You know, God made food for us, and it should all be for free. It shouldn't be like, you know, at a cost. No, I don't like that, you know. It's life, but that's just how it is. But anyways, guys, like, pretty much it's a new world out here, guys. Minecraft, it's like a special place in my heart. You can build so much things out there, and you can just relax at the end of the day. Just tune into your new world. Say, hey, I'm continuing building my dream house. People are like, what? You're building a dream house? Like, yeah, I'm building a dream house after work. And they don't have to know. Guess what? You can say, I'm building a Minecraft, building there. I say, wow, so you build a lot? I'm like, yeah, I build a lot of stuff. And people are like, wow, it's crazy. I want to build too. And like, I'll show you. Like, guys, this world, you can be a builder. You can be anything. You can be an apple tree farmer. You can make a village. You can make a game. Minecraft, guys, is so versatile. It's like you can do anything on here, guys. And it's like, there's never a dull day in Minecraft. Except when night comes, you know. When night comes, guys, you know, I feel tired, and then I go to sleep, and it's like, no, I don't want to go to sleep, but I have to. And then I wake back up, and I'm ready to keep building, you know. Okay, let's plant these trees here. So I feel like I could keep going every single day and build a big farm, okay, guys? So, I don't know, I just need your guys' help to get this out there. I want you guys to spread it around, saying, hey, guys, this guy in Minecraft, he's building a big apple tree farm. It's basic, but guess what, guys? It's going to be the world's most biggest apple tree farm in Minecraft. And no one else is going to do it, guys. No one else has done it before. So, yeah, just stay tuned. Every single day I'm going to upload videos and content about this kind of stuff. Hey, guys, if there's one thing that you want to take away from this video today is, like, basically, I'm back now. That's one thing to understand. And another thing to understand and take away from this video is basically, like, hey, if you want to do something in life, just do it. Because, guys, you don't want to wake up knowing that, hey, guess what? You could have done it, and guess what? You missed the boat. You're like, I could have, should have, would have. So, yeah, guys, you know, it's like, it's tough sometimes, you know. It's like, you're like, I don't have time for it, because I'm sure everyone has 20-30 minutes a day just to make one video, 2 videos, you know. That's all it entails, guys, you know. In the beginning, who cares? People are not going to watch some stuff. That's okay, guys. We don't care. We're in it for the long run, guys. So we're not going to give up so we don't pass the test. We're going to keep trying. That's just not how it works, guys, in life. We just gotta keep going. And hey, if it doesn't work, keep trying. And if it doesn't work, hey, guess what? Keep trying. Because eventually it will work. Guys, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for listening to my content lately. I'm going to be back with some banger videos, so like and subscribe and comment some stuff, guys, so it can help the algorithm out there, guys. And yeah, have a good day. Take care.